welcome back to my channel. I wanted to wish everybody a very happy new year. Yay 2018. I hope everyone has a very blessed and prosperous new year, and I hope this will be one of your best years yet. So first I want to apologize for my nail. It's a very stark contrast to my other nails, but basically my nail had broken like down here, so I put this, like, I guess it's like a press-on nail until I can get to my manicurist. So that's what you will be seeing for a little bit until I can find the time to get to her. Anyway, I wanted to come on not only to wish you guys a happy new year, but I wanted to share some Merry Mail that I received, but I just haven't had a chance to do a video. This is from my friend Erica, who is Scrapdiva29. Hi Erica, thank you so much for thinking about me and sending me something. So let me go ahead and share with you guys. All I've done is cut open the package, so I have no idea what's in here, and we will look at it together. So sorry for the noise. So she has it packaged up in this super cute red and white polka dotted tissue paper. Oh, look how sweet. Oh, she sent me one of her gingerbread tags. So cute. I saw this on her channel and I thought they were so super cute. So cute. She has some crinkle paper in here, and I'm sure you guys all know who Erica is. Look how super cute this is. And I have this Cottage Cuts die, and I had it out to play with it this year. Never got around to it. Well, last year. But so super cute. I definitely need to play with that. And it looks like she's layered this gingerbread on some foam. And look at that cute little bow. This is so super cute. And I think this is a Peachy Keen stamp that she stamped this out. And then I think she put some glossy accents for the cheeks. How adorable is that? And then she also die cut to and from and has some glitter paper in the background. So thank you so much, Erica. This is so super cute. Yay. Okay, so let's see. She also made me this card. Look how adorable this is. And then that super cute little greeting farm image that she's colored up. And then it looks like she's put some stickles. And it is up on some dimensional fun foam. So cute. And I love this bow die from my creative time. So let me go ahead and open this up really quick. Aw, thank you. So this was my birthday card. So thank you so much, Erica. This is so super cute. And is this a die that you use to make this? I can't remember. But thank you so, so much. And she also gifted me one of her little chapstick tags. And so super cute. I don't even know if I want to open this. But, you know, you just rip this part off, and then that way you can get the chapstick out. But I love how you put it on a tag. So that is so cute. And this is Sugar Cookie. So that will be fun. Thank you so much. And then she has some goodies for me. And she put a little snowflake up here. And these are some chipboard tags. I think this is from Target. And I love how thick, if you guys can see that, how thick this chipboard is. And of course I can go ahead and embellish it a little bit more for the Christmas season coming up, because you know it'll be here before we know it. And look at these cute Christmas socks. I love socks. I wear socks all the time because I'm always cold. And these are so cute with the pink and the red stripe. So thank you. These cupcakes, and they are dimensional. from Martha Stewart. And these will be perfect to use for the upcoming Valentine's Day. And oh, she got me a stamp and die set. And I do not have this one. And I was really into trees this past year, so this will be so awesome to use. And I love the patterns on here. I don't even think my Michaels had this. And then it does have the coordinating die right there to cut that out. So thank you. I will definitely put this to good use this coming Christmas. And then, oh my gosh, these are so adorable. These are shaker stickers. Where did you get these? I don't think I've ever seen this. But they are holographic. Sorry for that glare. And these are so fun. These will be fun to put on some tags. So thank you so much, Erica. I heart you, girl. You really did not need to send me anything, but this is so appreciated. So make sure to go over and check out Erica if you have not done so already. And I will see you guys in the next video really, really soon. So Happy New Year, guys, and I will talk to you later. Bye, everyone.